Kyle Soccer here, and today I have another video for you guys. So in this video, we will be unboxing the Nike Mercurial Flyknit Ultra FG. So these were a limited edition release, so that's why they have the black box. It just says Flyknit Ultra on it. It's a bit more of a matte finish than normal box. I do have them in my size 8, and so only 2,500 pairs worldwide. I got the triple black colorway, so you can see right there, and $250 retail. So let's get right into it, I guess. And they do also come with this bag on the inside. It just says Flyknit Ultra with the Nike logo on this side, and the same thing on the back with the Nike football. So thanks you guys for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see any other content like this, please click on my channel. Subscribe if you liked the video. It's Kyle Soccer signing off. See you next time.